In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image banner to your Shopify store, a great way to enhance the look and feel of your online business in 2025. Adding an eye-catching banner can make a significant difference in drawing attention to your store, highlighting promotions, or showcasing key product ranges. So let's dive right into the process step by step. First, we'll start by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. Simply open your preferred web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll be greeted with a view of your store's homepage. From here, you'll want to navigate to the online store option. You can usually find this on the left-hand side menu. Give it a click. This option takes us into the hub where you can manage all the visual aspects of your store. Once inside the online store section, you'll see the themes area as your next stop. A theme in Shopify controls the layout and style of your online store, and customizing it is where all the magic happens. Under themes, you should spot the customize button. By clicking this, you're opening the door to edit and tailor your site's appearance within Shopify's theme editor. Now you should be looking at the customization screen where you can tinker with various parts of your site's layout. What you're going to do next is simple. Look for the Add Section button on the sidebar. This is your gateway to enriching your store's landing page with various widgets and features. Clicking this will present you with a variety of sections you can add. You'll then see an option labeled Image Banner. The image banner component is as straightforward as it sounds, an image-based section you can incorporate right into your store. Select the image banner option to begin inserting it into your layout. After selecting it, you should be back at the layout view with the image banner section now visible. Here, click directly on the new image banner area to open its settings. You'll notice an option to select an image that you want to showcase. Simply click on Select, and this will take you to a file picker window where you can browse and choose the perfect image from your library or upload a new one. Once you've chosen your desired image, confirm your choice by clicking Done. This step is about ensuring the image is rightly set up and looks great in its new position within your theme. With the image safely in place, the last step is to solidify your changes by clicking Save. This will preserve all the edits you've just made, and voila! You've successfully added an image banner to your Shopify store. Remember, image banners can easily be adjusted or swapped out if you want to feature something new, and don't be afraid to play around with different styles to figure out what works best for your brand image. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create a more engaging online store experience.